Can you translate written legal principles, statutes, regulations, and rules from cases into mathematical notation? Absolutely. Let me show you. In other videos, I've talked about what pre and post shift work is compensable that your employer may not be paying you for, like changing into and out of sanitary or protective equipment, or maybe booting up your computer if you're a call center worker, anything you're doing before you and after you're getting paid. Okay, so at the top is a Supreme Court decision, pardon the handwriting, it is what it is. Steiner versus Mitchell, decided back in 1956. It announced the rule for what is and is not paid for in terms of pre and post shift work, which is the subject of a lot of our videos. And it basically says activities are compensable if those activities are integral and indispensable to the work for which covered workers are employed. Okay, now if you look to the bottom underneath the red line, you see a bunch of mathematical notation. Well, believe it or not, it says the exact same thing. It says for every worker W, every activity A, and every kind of work K, if the worker is employed to perform work of that kind K, and the activity is integral to that kind of work and indispensable to that kind of work, then the activity is compensable work for that work. In other words, you absolutely can translate law into mathematical notation. So why would anybody want to do this? Well, there's a long answer and there's a short answer. The short answer is translating legal rules into mathematical notation will allow us to create incredibly powerful predictive analytics models. And that's something we're working on at the Nilgis Legal Group through our technology and consulting company, LexTriage. Stay tuned.